He said to me, I write a letter. I write a letter. Okay. So this is children reporting verb. This is reporting verb. Or you can say this is reporting verb. And this is reporting speech. Fine. Am I clear, children? Reporting verb, then this is reporting speech.
Ma'am, please tell again.
This is reporting verb and this is reporting speech. You can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Reporting verb.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have to check? What is our prior rule? We have to check the tense. Okay? We need to check the tense. You can see that said is past tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple past tense. Okay? If it is past tense, then there are certain changes in the reporting speech. Like simple present will change into simple past. Simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous to past continuous. Present perfect to past perfect. Present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. So these changes will occur if your reporting verb is in past tense. Up to this much is clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If it is in simple present tense or in future tense, like if I'll say he says to me or he will say to me, I write a letter, so then there will be no change in the tense. Okay? There will be no change in the tense. Yes, beta?
मैम किसमें चेंज नहीं होगा टेंस?
If your reporting verb is in present tense, if I will write here, he says to me, or if I write will say to me, if it is in future or it is in simple present, then there will be no change in tense in the reporting speech. What I am going to write, he says that, he says to me, or he says to me that he writes a letter. There is no change in the tense. You can see here.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can see here. Then he will say to me that he writes a letter. Again, there is no change in the tense when we are using simple present reporting verb or simple future is there. In simple, now it is going to change. He said to me, said will become, said to will become told. He told me that he change into simple past.
Please
Come on,
tell
children.
again.
Change into simple past, beta. He told me that he, change into simple past, that he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. So it is changes into
रिपोर्टिंग
simple
वर्ब भी चेंज
past.
होगी?
Yes. You can write she said to me, or you can write he said to me, or you can write he told me. He told me that. Inverted commas will be replaced by that. So you can see, children, when it is reporting verb is in past tense, we are going to write he told me. He told me. Said to will become told. He told me that he wrote a letter. Simple present will become into simple past. Okay, it will change into simple past. Am I clear, children? So what is our verb? We need to check the reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in past tense, okay, then following changes will occur. Simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. And present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Yes, beta?
मैम जब हम मतलब उसको चेंज करेंगे तो मैम जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब और रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच है वो मैम आंसर में दोनों ही चेंज होंगे.
Yes, it will change. Like we can take the same example. He said to me, I'll change into continuous tense. You can change into continuous tense. He said to me, what I can write here in simple present continuous, I'm writing a letter. I'm writing a letter. So what changes will occur? He told me that he was because present continuous will change into past continuous. He was writing a letter. He was writing a letter.
तो कॉमा की जगह हमेशा दैट ही आएगा.
Yes, you want to remove, you will remove with that. Some question words are also coming like whether, if there is a question mark, then we are using whether and if. Okay, that we will learn further. Now I can make it, I am writing a letter. Now I can change into present perfect. I have written a letter. I have written a letter. I have written a letter. Okay, so what changes we are going to make now? He had written a letter. Now it's clear, children. He had written a letter. He had written a letter because present perfect will change into past perfect. He had written a letter. Then next, present perfect continuous. Yes, we will have present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Like he said to me, I have been writing a letter. Okay, so you will change into he told me that he had been writing a letter. Then we will also learn negative also. Negative and interrogative also. Like I will say this, I write a letter. I don't write a letter. I don't write a letter. I don't write a letter. So what will come here? He told me that he did not write a letter. Okay, do will become did. He did not write a letter. He didn't write a letter. Write a letter. He didn't write a letter. If I want to make a question, then do I write a letter? He said to me, do I write a letter? He said to me, do I write a letter? Yes, beta. Yes.
Do he?
He said to me, do I write a letter? Do I write a, I am framing a question here. If we are having a question, then how we are going to change it? Okay. Do I write a letter? Then we are going to write, he asked me, and for auxiliary verbs. Yes. For auxiliary verbs, what was coming? If or whether. Okay. If I wrote a letter, question mark will be removed. Okay. If I wrote a letter.
We have to remove the question mark.
Yes, we will remove question mark with this if or whether will come. If auxiliary verbs are there, then if or whether will come.
Whenever
Okay.
question mark.
Yes.
Question will
Question
come.
mark is here. If I will write what I write, then what will remain the same? What he had written. If he wrote a letter, sorry, if he wrote a letter. He said to me, he told me if he wrote a letter, I will become he. Okay. Similar way, he said to me, I am writing a letter. He said to me, I am not writing a letter. He told me that he was not writing a letter. Okay. Then he said to me, am I writing a letter? He asked me if he was writing a letter. Clear, children?
And so we can use whether also.
Whether also.
Place.
If auxiliary verbs are there, you can use if and whether. Okay? Okay, beta? If and whether you can use. And what changes occur? Like today, that day. Today will change into that day. Tomorrow, the next day. Next day. Yesterday, the previous day. Yesterday, the previous day. The previous day. Tonight, that night. Okay. The next year, the following day. Now, then, this, that. Now, then, this, that. He, him. She, her.
Ma'am, they, them.
Yes, they, them. We, us. They, them. We, us. So these changes will be occurring. Fine.